So we were doing the fourth question in that D1 is remaining, I think so. Okay. So we will complete it today. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So question number 4, what is given in the D1? Verify x multiplied by y minus z, it is equal to x multiplied by y minus x multiplied by z. Okay. Divyal, I will take your doubt, don't worry. Yes, what is your doubt? Ask me.
Sir, in C1, that question number third,
Hmm.
सर इसमें मेरा आंसर ही नहीं आ रहा.
See, one value is 0. It is quite easy to solve. Just put the values. LHS को ले लो, RHS को ले लो, दोनों equal आना
सर
चाहिए.
मैंने ट्राई करा बट मेरा रॉन्ग आ रहा.
हाँ, ठीक है. We will take it in revision class. We will take it. Okay.
ओके सर.
So now here fourth D1. So what is given to us? Main equation is what? X multiplied by y minus z, which is equal to x multiplied by y minus x multiplied by z. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आप लोग पहले वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे. x का वैल्यू क्या है? x इज इक्वल टू 1/2, y इज इक्वल टू 3/4 एंड z इज इक्वल टू -4/5. वी विल पुट इट हियर. सो 1/2 multiplied by 3/4 minus -4/5, it is equal to 1/2 multiplied by 3/4 minus 1/2 multiplied by -4/5. So now this part is our LHS. We will solve LHS first. Okay. So 1/2 multiplied by 3/4 minus into minus. See, this minus into minus, it will become plus. So this will become 4/5. Next step, what we will do? Yes, पलक बोलो क्या करेंगे अभी हम लोग आगे?
Yes, sir. Sir, we will do the LCM of 4 and 5.
So what is the LCM?
That is 20.
Okay, so 3 multiplied by 5.
So 1/2 into bracket 3 into 5 upon 4 into 5 plus 4/5 into 4.
Okay, so what it will come then?
Then 1/2 into bracket 15/20 plus 16/20.
So what it comes then next?
Then 1/2 into 31/20.
Okay, so what it will come?
31/40.
31/40 is the value of LHS.
LHS.
Now we will solve the RHS.
Yes, sir.
So what is given in RHS?
Sir, it is multiplication. So we will write 1 into 3 upon 2
But
into 4.
first we will write the RHS in the first step, then we will do the multiplication. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now 3/8.
Yes, sir. 3/8 plus 2/5.
2/5. Okay, you
Sir,
have
I cut
okay, 2 ones are and 2 twos are okay. So minus 2/5 it will come.
minus 2/5. Yes.
Now minus
Then
into
the
minus,
LCM of
minus into
plus.
minus, this will become plus.
Plus. Yes.
Next
So
LCM.
then LCM of 8 and 5 is equals to 40.
Okay.
So 3/8 into 5 plus 2/5 into 8.
Hmm.
Then 15/40 plus 16/40.
So again it will come
So
30.
our answer comes 31/40.
That's it. So last what we will write? LHS
Therefore,
is,
LHS is equals to RHS.
that's it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next one. Akshara will try the next one.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So first we will write the statement. It is x into bracket y minus z bracket close equals to x into y minus x into z.
Okay, correct. Next.
Now we will write 1 upon 3 into
Hmm.
bracket 0 minus 2 by 5 bracket close
Hmm.
is equal to 1 by 3 into 0 and 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 5.
So this is our what? This is LHS. So we will take LHS now. So what is LHS? 1 by 3
1
multiplied
by
by
3 multiplied by 0.
this
We
minus
will
into
make
minus, minus into
plus
minus. So plus 2 by 5.
by 5.
So what it will
Then
come?
1 upon 3 into 2 by 5.
Correct. Because 0 plus 2 by 5 is what? 2 by 5 only.
2 by 5.
Next.
Then 2 upon 15.
So our
It
LHS
is
is 2 upon 15. Okay. RHS.
RHS equals to 1 by 3 upon into 0 minus 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 5.
So what it will come then?
1 by 3 into 0, it is 1 by 0 minus
0
1
into
by
any number is 0 only. चाहे वो फ्रैक्शन हो, रैशनल नंबर हो, इंटीजर हो, होल नंबर हो, नेचुरल नंबर हो, 0 के साथ कभी भी प्रोडक्ट होगा तो इट विल कम 0 ओनली. ओके.
yes. Then minus 1 minus 2 upon 15.
This minus into
Then minus it is plus, then answer is 2 by 15.
0 plus 2 by 15, it is nothing but 2 by 15.
By 15. LHS equals to RHS.
That's it. It was very easy. Okay. Okay, next question. Next question is also very easy. Simplification is there. Nothing so hard in that. Okay. So first one. Yes, who will do first one? Vaishnavi will do the first one.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will write 4 upon 9 into 12 upon minus 5.
First step, what we will do, we will write as it is. Okay. 5 upon 12. Next step, what it will become? 4 upon 9
We will do reciprocal of minus 5 upon 12.
Next step, what we
12
will do?
upon minus 5.
We will shift this minus
4
sign.
12s are 48.
We will shift this minus sign to numerator. So minus 12 upon 5 it will become. Now do the multiplication.
Minus 48 upon 45.
So this is the answer. Next one, Lakshmi Nivas Zawar will do. After that, Om Ganesh Jadhav, be ready.
Yes, sir. May I say?
Yes, yes.
So, sir, we have to, so B1 we have to do. So we will do that. First we will write minus 4.
Next.
Minus 4 divide upon 6 divided by 3 upon 2. So we don't need to take LCM here. We just what we say reciprocal it. So it will be minus 4 upon 6 multiplied by 2 upon 3. So answer will be minus 6 upon
minus 4 into 2, 6 into 3. क्या cancel हो रहा है? 2 1s are 2 3. So minus 4 upon 9 is
3.
Minus 4 upon 9 is the answer.
So 9 upon 4 is.
Minus 4 upon 9 is the answer.
Hello, sir. Your voice is.
Minus 4 upon 9 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Om Ganesh Jadhav, tell me the next one.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, minus 15 by 7 divided by minus 30 by 1
Minus 30 by 1. Correct. Okay.
is equal to minus 15 by 7 multiply by 1 by minus 30.
15 by 7 multiplied by 1 by minus 30.
Then
Okay.
we will shift sign, minus 15 by 7 multiply by minus 1 by 30.
Next.
Sir, we will cancel it. Yes,
What
sir.
what we will cancel?
Sir, 15 ones are 15 twos are.
Minus into minus,
Sir,
this will become plus. So 1
plus.
upon 14.
Yes, sir.
Arya Mirkad, be ready.
Sir, sir.
Uh,
Sir, sir, in first one we can do simplest form also of it.
yes,
Sir,
yes.
answer was minus 40.
Yes, write the answer in the simplest form. अगर मैंने नहीं भी लिखा हो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में तो आप लिखिए उसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So D question. So we will write first minus 25 by 1 divided by 5 by 6.
So minus 25
Then
by
we will
1 divided by 5 by 6. Okay.
then we will write minus 25 by 1 into 6 by 5. We will reciprocal it.
Next.
So 5 ones are 5s are 25.
5 ones are 5, 5s are 25. So what is the answer? Minus 30 by 1 and
Minus 30 is the answer.
that is minus 30. Yuvraj Arsul, be ready. Next question is yours.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Minus 16 upon 35
Minus 16 upon 35.
into 4 upon minus 15.
First we write the question in the first step. Next we do reciprocal. Into 4 upon
4
minus.
upon minus 15.
What we
Sir,
do next?
minus minus sign will cut.
We will shift it first to the numerator.
Yes, sir.
Now next.
16 for the 64.
And 35 into 15. Tell me first, minus into minus, what it comes?
Plus
35 15s are. 15 5s are 75, 15 3s are
525.
525. So 64 upon 525 is the answer. Next one. Darshana will answer the next one.
Minus 5 upon 7 divided by minus 15 upon 28.
Okay, next.
Minus 5 upon 7 multiplied by 28 upon 15.
Minus.
Minus 15. Now minus 5 upon 7 multiplied by minus 28 upon 15.
Okay, next.
Minus 5 multiplied by minus 28 upon 7 multiplied by 15.
So 7 ones are 7 fours are 5 ones are 5
5
3.
ones are 5 threes are. 4
So
upon 3.
4 upon 3 is the answer because minus into minus it became plus. So 4 upon 3 is the answer.
Plus.
Okay. Next one. I think so over now. All the 6 questions are over. Okay. Now 6th question. True or false? Chalo, who will try this? True or false? बोलो पलक. First one.
Yes, sir. Sir, the first one is 13 upon 5 divided by 26 upon 15 is equals to 26 upon 15 divided by 13 upon 5. So, sir, here we will do 13 upon 5 into 15 upon 26.
We will take LHS.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will solve LHS and RHS together.
No, take it separately. It is better. आपको confuse नहीं होगा.
Okay, sir.
Multiplied
Then
by
13 into 15 upon 5 into 26. So, 13 ones and 26 twos are.
13 twos are, not 26 twos are.
Yes, sir, 13 twos are. And 5 ones and 5 threes are.
So what is the LHS value? 3 by 2.
3 upon 2.
Okay. RHS
RHS, that is 26 upon 5
15.
into. Yes, sir, 26 upon 15 divided by 13 upon 5. So 26 upon 15 into 5 upon 13.
What it comes?
After that, 26 into 5 upon 15 into 13. So 13 ones are and 26 twos are. 13 twos are.
So what it
Then
came?
5 ones are and 5 threes are. So answer will be 2 upon 3.
So is it equal? 3 by 2, is it equal to 2
No,
by
sir,
3?
3 upon 2 is not equal to 2 upon 3. So that is why the statement is false.
So write it like this: 3 upon 2, it is not equal to 2 upon 3.
2 upon 3.
So
That is
therefore
false statement.
it is false.
Yes.
Okay, like this only you will write the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one, Akshara.
Yes, sir. The question is minus 7 divided by 4 upon 5 is equal to 4 by 5 divided by minus 7. So we will take LHS and write minus 7 upon 1 divided by 4 by 5. So then we will reciprocally 7 upon 1 into 5 upon 4. So minus 35 upon 4.
Minus 35 upon 4, correct.
35 upon 4. It is LHS. RHS equals to 4 upon 5 divided by minus 7 upon 1.
Okay.
Then we will reciprocal it and write it as 4 upon 5 into 1 upon minus 7, and we will shift minus sign to numerator.
Okay, I have
Then
done it.
minus-
I have done it in one step only. I have shifted the sign also to the numerator, and I have done the reciprocal also. Okay. So 4 into
minus 4 upon 35.
So are these equal?
No. So we will write minus 35 upon 4 is not equal to minus 4 upon 35. It is false.
Therefore, it is false. Yes, Harshvardhan, what's the doubt?
Sir, if we multiply with 0, sir, suppose example 0 into minus 72 upon 45. So answer will come 0, na?
Yes. It will come 0. Okay, next one. Okay, Sarthak Narvade will try the next one.
Yes, sir.
Bolo, Sarthak. Sarthak. Sarthak, unmute yourself. Okay, Yuvraj, you tell.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
LHS is equals to minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 6 upon 5 equals to minus 4 upon 5 into 5 upon 6.
Hmm.
4
Next,
into 5 is equal to 20
we'll
and
cancel
6
this.
5.
We'll cancel this 5.
Yes,
Na?
4
And
upon 6
2s are 3s are.
plus
So minus 2 upon 3 is the answer in the simplest form. Yes, what about RHS? Yuvraj, why you unmute yourself? I don't know.
so by mistake. RHS is equals to minus 6 upon 5 divided by minus 4 upon 5
Huh.
is equals to minus 6 upon 5 into minus 5 into 4
Into not upon
upon
4.
4
Huh.
because 5 ones are 5.
Minus 6 multiplied by minus 5
1
divided by
yes 5
5
into
multiplied.
4.
So 5 ones are 5 ones are
5 ones are
3s are 2s are. So what we will get? Here,
minus 3 upon 2.
see here also in LHS also minus into minus it was plus 2 by 3, huh? And here also
Yes,
minus into minus it will become plus. So it will
yes.
come minus 3 by 2. Is it
3.
equal?
No, sir.
2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. So therefore it is false. Okay. Correct it. In the LHS also there is positive sign and in RHS also it is negative sign. Sorry, positive sign only. Because minus minus this becomes plus, and here also in LHS also minus into minus it becomes plus. Okay. So now I am sending you the attendance link in the chat box. No one will type any message in the chat box. Okay. For next 10 minutes. Okay. Fill the attendance fast. Okay. So D1 of 6th. Who will try this? D1. Anshika Gilda will try this.
First,
Hmm.
we will write LHS is equal to minus 6 upon 15 divided by
Hmm.
7 upon 30.
Hmm.
In next line is equal to minus 6 upon 15 into 30 upon 7
Okay. Next.
is equal to minus 6 into 30 upon 15 into 7.
15 into 7. So what is cancelling here? 15.
15 twos are 30 is equals to minus 12 upon 7.
Okay. So RHS. What is RHS now?
7 upon 30 divided by minus 16 upon 15.
Minus 6 upon 15.
Yes, minus 6 upon 15
Hmm.
is equal to 7 upon 30 into minus 15 upon 6.
Correct. Next.
7 into minus 15 upon 30 into 6 is equal to minus 7 upon 12.
15 ones are 15 twos are. So what it will come? Minus 7 upon 12. So are these equal?
7 is not equal to minus 7 upon 12. Therefore, it is not false.
Therefore it is false. Okay. Next one. Okay. Seventh one. Who will try the seventh one? Seventh A. Seventh A1. सर अंडर साइन इन ए रहा है. What you're telling Pratishta, I'm not getting it. हाँ बोलो प्रतिष्ठा.
सर उधर साइन इन करने का आ रहा है वो अटेंडेंस के
हाँ
उधर।
तो मैंने आपको बोला था उस दिन भी, आपको साइन इन करके रखना है. आप ईमेल आईडी डालो, साइन इन कर लो तुरंत, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है. मम्मी पापा किसी का भी डालो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें. Put the email ID of your mother, father, put the password, sign in and complete the attendance. Okay, 7th A. Who will do 7th A? Who will do 7th A? हाँ युवराज बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
The product of two rational numbers is minus 56 upon 64. If
Hmm.
one of the rational number is 14 upon 32, find the other. Sir, we will make equation x plus 14 upon 32
First, what we will write? One rational number is equal to
is
40.
equals to 14 upon 32
Okay. Other rational
Yes, sir.
number.
is equals to x.
Okay, correct. Other rational number is equal to x. Next, what is given? Product of two rational
Of
numbers.
the rational numbers is equals to minus 56 upon 64.
Product of two rational numbers is equal to minus 56 upon 64. Okay. So क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 14 upon 32 multiplied by x will be equal to,
X minus 56 upon 60.
so x will be on LHS. Shift this term to RHS. What it will come?
Minus 56 upon 64 divided by 14 upon 32.
Divided by.
14 upon 32.
Okay. To remove this division, what we will do next?
Reciprocal of 14 upon 32. Minus 56 upon 64 into 32 upon 14.
Next.
7 8 is 56, 7 2 is 14.
32 ones are 32 twos are. Okay. 64. 14 ones are 14 fours are. Okay. 2 ones are 2
Yes.
twos are. So answer is minus 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So only now this one is homework to you, huh? Only one question is remaining. Only this 8th one is remaining, that I will take it. Okay, now listen to me first. Tomorrow your test is there on rational numbers. The test will be online. Okay. Tomorrow your worksheet is there on rational numbers, chapter 3. Tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. So be ready for the text. Is it clear to you? And please complete the attendance as fast as possible. Okay, fill the attendance form as early as possible.